out here on a Sunday. We got called in about an accident. Nathan's Body Shop and Wrecker Service. Offices in Franklin, North Carolina, and Sylvan, North Carolina. You can see here that this car obviously went off in this ditch and rode it for quite a while. The vehicle's quite muddy, a little tore up. So my cousin Josiah just hooked up the wheel straps. Well, one of the wheel straps. He's working on the other right now. He's using these wheel straps to pull this Honda out of the ditch. The wheel straps will keep the rims from getting damaged. So what he's decided to do is put the block into the truck here. So what's going to happen is it'll pull at an angle off the rear passenger side wheel and try and get this Honda a little more straightened up when it comes out of the ditch. So then we can just work it right up onto the truck, onto the rollback. And as you can see, the rear of the car is pivoting up from the block on the truck. And on the first shot, he got it pretty close. So my cousin Josiah, he's gonna move the rollback now to line up more evenly with this Honda now that we pulled it out of the ditch. We're gonna try and get it loaded up as quickly as possible and get out of here and stop blocking this traffic. At this time, the cause of this accident is undetermined. We may never know. All right, so we pulled up, let traffic go through for a minute. Then my cousin Josiah's backed the rollback up to this Honda, and we're about to drag it up on the truck here in just a minute. He's trying to get it hooked. And we got this Honda hooked. It's going up on the rollback. There's significant damage to this car, both the rear end, passenger side rear quarter panel, and the front end. It obviously looks like it went mud bogging. In a sense, it somewhat did.
And we could have used the wrecker, it would have been a whole lot more handy, but the rollback did this trick. Ain't nothing to it. You just gotta know what you're working with.
Back at our Franklin office, we're dropping this mud bogged Honda Civic off. And as seems to be the norm as of lately, we don't have the keys to this vehicle. And just to give you a view of the front of this Honda Civic, it's actually pouring out quite a bit of water over here with the sun. I don't know if I'll be able to catch it on video, but it's dumping pretty good. It's been going for about 45 seconds. Well, that concludes this recovery. I'm Cuzzo. This is my cousin Josiah. We're Nathan's Body Shop and Record Service. Offices located in Franklin, North Carolina and Sylvan, North Carolina. We came, we hooked it, and we towed this ditch riding Civic away. That's right.